Hi, Two.
Hi, Tom. Oh, sorry. Hi, Tim.
How's it going? No, it's okay. My dad and I have it's only one letter difference. So,
Oh, I see.
how's everything?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Doing well, doing well. Where are you again?
I am in my office right now.
Nice. Is it in, did you say San Jose? You're in San Jose, right?
Yes, in San Jose.
Very nice, very nice. Well, thank
Yes.
you for taking some time on your Saturday to talk to us. We really appreciate it. So,
You're very welcome.
oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, too, would love to hear, your story and how you heard about Stock Navigators. I know you mentioned you joined about a year ago or like 8 months ago. So,
Yeah, pretty much I joined last time was July, I think. Yeah, July. Um, I was on the Facebook browsing and then I just saw Stock Navigator ads on my page. So I just click because it's free webinar. So I just, there's nothing better than free, right?
yeah.
So I just click it and then follow the video for 1 hour and then finally make a decision to join. So yes, here I am right now.
Very awesome. And did you join in June of 2020 or
I think it's July.
July? Got it.
Yeah.
And what made you want to join? Because I know you said back then did you just get furloughed in July or?
Oh, I get a follow in March, but I was so busy with my son with school and stuff. So July is his summer, and then really much nothing else to do other than I have to tutor him for summer school. So it's a bit less stress than during the school year. So I decided to do something else.
Gotcha.
And then yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And then I know you joined and you mentioned that in the beginning you were struggling and things like that. And at one point you almost wanted to leave the program. Would love to hear more about your struggling in the beginning.
Oh yeah, because I have no background of I was totally newbie. Yeah, this is my first trading online class, and hopefully this is the last one. And with me, everything doesn't make sense at all to me because I think I was trying to be, I was trying to skip the basic step, trying to jump into the premium trading room and trying to listen to Tom if it doesn't make any sense. Or I was like, oh my God, why I have to wait, right? I can just make money now. But listen to Tom said it doesn't make any sense to me because I was like, if it doesn't hit this level, it's gonna drop. And yeah, everybody knows that, right? So why I have to, pay so much for stuff like this? And at one point, I really want to quit because it's just too much information, and then I think I was too fast forward of the basic. So I was thinking myself like, everybody can do it, why not me? Because I look at a lot of people in the student results. Yeah, so I was like, why don't we give it a second try? So when I did that, I go back slowly. I study all the support, resistance, and then in the meantime, still listening to your dad in the morning. Yeah, and then things start making more sense to me. I have to study really hard, or after all the housework done, like around 9, when after I put my son to sleep, then I study from 9 to 12. And some of the video was really boring because and especially Jonathan's voice is really put me to sleep very well. So I have to go back and forth for like so many times, especially the Elliot's wave is one of the most challenge. But yeah, after you figure it out, and it's just it's not that easy. I think it's you need to overcome all the obstacles, and then you have to look forward, think positive. Yeah, just wait, be patient. Like what Tom always tell us, be patient, don't be greedy. Yeah, that's it. What really makes sense, and it does make my account grow a lot, though. Yeah.
Yep. And yeah, I mean, I think it's normal. It's the hump you have to break through, right? In the beginning, when you learn anything new, especially trading, right? It's so much information. You feel like a stranger, complete beginner, and like it's confusing because you don't know like where to start and stuff. And like even if you go through the program, I think making sure that you put in the work, like what you said, to really learn everything in depth before getting overwhelmed, essentially. So I think what you're talking about is just like pretty reasonable, and a lot of people go through it. Even like for me, when I first started learning. So.
Yeah, at one point when I, like the learning curve, right? When you first finish it, you think you know everything. You think you like the mastermind of look at the charts, because during the practice time you look over the charts for like at least thousands of charts, in order to get better and to understand really what is it about, right? But so even though with that I think I know everything, but obviously it's not. I'm still learning right now, but at least you follow the right track. That's make it once, make it right? So yeah, that's why I'm so blessed to know about the stock navigators. Everybody is so helpful in there. When I was trying to analyze some of the charts, I post in the community, and then everyone was so helpful, especially Abisa. Hey, I think he's a really good mentor too.
Yep, 100%. And so I guess just so other people, because I'm sure other people out there, whether they're taking our program or they're taking another program for trading, whatever it is, it's going to be common for them to kind of break past that struggle or point of, not quitting. So what kind of advice would you give people to, really break through and not quit, which, you were close to quitting and giving up?
Yeah, my advice is, you just have to go back and think carefully. I mean, if you watch the video one time you don't understand, just try to watch it over again. And then even though if that doesn't make sense to you, we have a Q&A every Monday and Wednesday, which is very helpful. And then Tom is very patiently answer all the questions. Even though when I first started, the class normally ended at like 7:15, but then later on we have so many new students. So sometimes like it takes like almost 2.5 hours for him to finish all the questions. I think it's a very big help. Even though right now I think I know most of everything already, but I still go to Q&A, every Monday and Wednesday, just to try to learn something. And of course, every day you learn something. Yeah. If the candle doesn't close above the trend line, it just means it's not that strong yet, so it may go down, this and that. So before we don't know. And then with the Q&A in Monday and Wednesday, and then try to like your dad always say, treat this as a career, right? You have to be so you have to put 110% effort into that. It's not just like you do one day and the next day you quit. It's going to be consistent. And then the community right there to help you out. So don't quit. It's gonna worth it. It's gonna worth for the rest of your life too, I think. Yeah. Yep,
100%. And then, so you were furloughed, and then most of the day you were busy taking care of. You said your son.
Yeah, my son, and then my husband is still working from home.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, most everything is on me.
Yeah, to take care of everything around the house and take care of your son, and I think that's just very inspirational, even just for me and hearing anyone else hearing this, right? Because you're basically busy full time as a stay-at-home mom, but you still found time after, you said, from 9 p.m. to like 12 a.m. every day to study the videos. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean.
Yeah. Sometimes for the past 3 months, taking this course, I don't sleep a lot. Probably like 3 to 4 hours a day most. Yeah. But then after looking back, I think all those time is totally worth it. If I ever have a choice again, or if I have have the option to tell all my friends, I'll still say, try. It's worth it. It's worth only 3 months. It is not that bad.
Yeah.
And then it can be the skill. It will be the skill that make your life a lot better. I'm trying to be like a freedom of financial as well. Yeah, so have more time with family. So that's my goal. And I think I'm getting there. Yeah.
Yep, 100%. It's some short-term suffering and pain, right? No pain, no gain. So
exactly.
And then could you share some of your results too so far in terms of like how much you've been able to grow your account or make?
Oh, do you mean like on my computer right now, or?
Oh no, just like you can just tell us. You don't have to actually pull up anything.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So let me just show you here then. So this is my account. I just opened not very long ago. I think it's since January. How can I pull P&L on my phone? I don't think I can, right? If I have TTD?
That I don't know. I remember in the past you texted me some images.
Oh yeah. That was my main account. I started with 25,000, and I think I built up to like 84,000 when I sent it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then after that, I just, like I told you, I don't do swing trade anymore.
Yep.
I just focus on day trade because the market is not really good at that time.
Yep.
So I day trade ES, only one contract every day. I think from 25,000, I built my account up right now is at 87. So it's like
62,000.
How much is it?
62,000. Yeah.
Yeah. I started full-time trade since October.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I just opened another account with 65,000 in there in January. Even though with the downturn market, I make like 28,000 right now on the second account that I opened.
Wow.
Yeah, so I have two accounts right now, one from E-Trade and one from TTD.
Yeah, I mean, that's awesome. 62,000 on one, 28,000 on another. I think that's, especially since you started full-time trading in October, you said is when you started real money?
Yes, yeah. It's real money. I did not listen to Tom about using a simulator. I jumped into real money right away, but yeah.
Yeah, but I think for you spent a lot of time studying, which is, the big game changer, right? And I think even if you were to start with real money, if someone skips a simulator, you just have to start with a very small amount that, if you lost it, it's not that big of a deal, But I think for you, it sounds like you studied a whole ton before you even started trading, because you joined
exactly when I study, I don't even do any trade. I just come and listen every day. I take note, and then I go back, and then I look at the chart, this and that. So when I think I'm ready, but I'm very chicken. I play very small small position every time.
But hey, I mean, everyone has their own style, right? Clearly your style is working for you, so that's amazing, especially on both your accounts. So very excited to see like how you continue to grow it over the next few years. So I guess sorry.
I saw under like if you have your account above like 10,000, you receive like a bronze prize, right?
Yeah, the statue. So
yeah,
we
trying
actually,
to build like
yeah,
trying to build like over 100,000.
yeah,
It's
there's actually a bigger
already.
prize for the community. If you make over 100,000, you get like I think like a crystal or like a silver vase. So once you break that 100,000 mark, you can just post in the community, and then someone will like reach out to you about that prize. So
Yeah, I'm so close. About
Yeah.
10,000 more.
yeah, 10,000 more, you got the $100,000 reward. So it's very exciting.
I know. Oh my god, I can't believe it either.
Hey,
When I
so
see my account roll, I said, "Wow, really?
Yeah.
That's amazing."
yeah, but hey, I mean, you put in the work, you deserve all your success, and it sounds like you made back a lot more than the tuition costs. So I think overall, it's a win-win for you. So
Yes, it's a win-win for me. Yeah. Thank you so much for talking your dad into sharing his experience to the whole world. So that's the way we have a chance to make all of us will make money.
yep, 100%. And now you have a lifelong skill that you'll be able to do from home for the rest of your life. You can trade with friends. You can teach it to your son, things like that. So
Yeah, every morning when my son wake up and he comes straight to my office and he was like, "Mommy, today is a red or green candle." So fun.
I love it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Too. Well, before we wrap up, do you have any final advice for others out there who are, nervous on joining the program? They don't know if this is going to be the right decision for them.
I think just I know the price, the tuition is not cheap, but all I can say is you get what you pay for. It's worth every single penny. Yeah. Don't just look at the short period of time. Think about big picture. Only like a couple thousand, but can really you can make like, I believe it probably like $1 million in a year or two. Yeah. So don't give up yet. Don't let don't let the numbers scare you right now for the course fees, because when you in there, it's worth it. I think it's really cheap actually right now when I look back.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
And when you're first learning, it's nervous, right? Because our course is, more expensive than most courses out there. But it's like what you said, it's a premium product. Like we have very good support, high quality education, and in hindsight, people always say, "Wow, in hindsight, that's so cheap. I wish I would have done this sooner." So.
Exactly. Yeah. If I know this years ago, I probably thinking, just jumping right in and do it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much too. I love your story, and I can't wait to, keep in the loop and stay in touch with you. So definitely continue to post your success and share it in the community. And I think this will just be super helpful and inspire maybe those who are on the edge who are watching, or even just our current students who watch this, and it makes them keep pushing. So.
Yeah, I'm the one who not really media social a lot, so I just
No worries.
maybe one day I will post my result in there.
Yeah, no worries. Okay.